this week on Amazing Words of God with Evangelist Tosin Akinmoboye is using Joshua chapter 1 verse 8 to give you some knowledge, some information on how you can be successful in life. I want to read the text again today. Joshua 1:8. Do not let this book of the Lord depart from your mouth. Meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written in it. Then you will be prosperous and successful. It is not enough to acquire knowledge. You must acquire the knowledge that is right for you. You must acquire the kind of knowledge that you have natural skills to make use of. Remember, Joshua 1:8 said, this book of the law is a particular book. Joshua was not instructed to meditate on just any book that is available. Joshua was instructed to meditate on a particular book, the book of the law. The reason is because the things that will give Joshua success in life are written in that book and not in any other book. The instructions for success, the steps that Joshua will take and be recognized by God are already written in the book of the law. He only needs to read that book, understand the book, and find out what are the steps that I need to take in order to be successful. It is a particular book that was recommended for Joshua. You too need a particular book for your life. You need a particular set of knowledge that will adapt well with your natural skills. Don't just acquire knowledge for the fun of it. Make sure that they are knowledge that you have natural ability to convert. If you are the type who will not like to deal with money, then you have no business studying anything that relates to banking, accountancy, and all the rest of it, because you do not have natural skills to apply the knowledge. Though you may acquire the knowledge, quite right, but you will be struggling to apply the knowledge. So it is not every knowledge that is right for you. In order to be successful, you need the knowledge that is right for you, the one that you can quickly apply. And apply knowledge means that the ones you have natural skills for, that there are things that we are knowledge. There are things that we know about in life that naturally we are able to quickly adapt. These things, when you look at musicians, you look at actors, all these things are based on a form of knowledge. But that knowledge requires natural talents. We know that the fact that you are brilliant does not mean that you could be a medical doctor. No, because being a successful medical doctor is more than just being brilliant. You must have this natural ability to care for people. Knowing the scriptures from Genesis to Revelation doesn't make you a pastor. You must have seen that there is something in you that gives you the ability to be a pastor. That is when you can be a pastor. Being a pastor is not just because you know the Bible. There is knowledge that is right for each individual, and you must make sure that you acquire the one that is right for you, so that you can quickly progress on the ladder of success. You will not be struggling to be successful, despite the fact that people know you as a lawyer or as a doctor or as a teacher. It's not everybody that can teach. There are people that have natural skills for teaching. Then when you now go to a teaching school to acquire the knowledge for teaching, you become proficient, and your natural skills make you a very excellent teacher. I pray that you will receive grace in the name of Jesus, because you must know the knowledge that is right for you. That will guide you into choosing your career, and that will give you success in your chosen career. I pray once again that you will receive grace in the name of Jesus, because the grace will give you the ability to discover the knowledge that is right for you. God bless. I know you have been blessed by our message. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for live notifications when we drop a new message.